Every single day, trillions of dollars move through Wall Street. Companies are built. Fortunes are made. Entire economies can rise or collapse. But here's the surprising part. Wall Street isn't just a street. It's one of the most powerful financial systems ever created. And in the next 4 minutes, you'll understand exactly how it works. Let's start with the name. Wall Street is an actual street in Lower Manhattan, New York City. Back in the 1600s, Dutch settlers built a wooden wall there to protect their colony. That wall disappeared centuries ago. But the name remained. Over time, banks, brokers, and financial institutions gathered in the area. Eventually, Wall Street became the symbol of the entire American financial market. Today, when people say Wall Street, they're talking about much more than a location. They're talking about the world's financial powerhouse. So, what actually happens on Wall Street? Imagine you own a company. You need billions of dollars to grow, build factories, or develop new technology. Instead of borrowing everything from a bank, you can sell tiny ownership pieces of your company. These pieces are called stocks. Investors buy those shares because they believe your company will become more valuable in the future. If it succeeds, the stock price rises. If the company struggles, the price falls. That's the basic idea behind the stock market. But Wall Street isn't just investors buying stocks. Behind the scenes are huge investment banks, hedge funds, pension funds, market makers, and trading firms. They help companies raise money, manage investments worth trillions, and trade financial assets every second of the day. Many of these trades aren't even made by humans anymore. They're executed by powerful computers making decisions in milliseconds. In today's markets, speed is money. Now, here's why Wall Street matters to everyone. Even if you've never bought a single stock, Wall Street can still affect your life. If markets crash, businesses may lose value. Companies can stop hiring. Retirement funds can shrink. Banks may become more cautious with lending. Consumer confidence drops. And suddenly, a financial problem can spread across the entire economy. That's exactly what happened during the financial crisis of 2008. What started inside the financial system eventually affected millions of families around the world. But Wall Street doesn't only create crises. It also helps businesses grow. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Nvidia raised enormous amounts of capital from investors. That money helped them expand, innovate, and become some of the most valuable companies in history. Without financial markets, many of today's biggest companies might never have reached their full potential. So, is Wall Street good or bad? The truth is, it's neither. Wall Street is simply a tool. When money flows into productive businesses, it fuels innovation, creates jobs, and drives economic growth. But when greed, speculation, or excessive risk take over, the consequences can be enormous. So the next time you hear that Wall Street had a great day, or that Wall Street lost billions, you'll know they're not talking about one street in New York. They're talking about a financial machine that influences companies, governments, investors, and millions of ordinary people across the globe. And whether you invest or not, Wall Street has probably already affected your life. Now you finally know why.